This is your election command center. Let's do some politics now. And the battle lines have been drawn, and two aspirants are ready to woo the Oforikrom NPP constituency delegates in the Ashanti region. The incumbent Dr. Emmanuel Mafo and KNUST senior lecturer Dr. Emmanuel Amankay have sailed through the Verton to contest the party's primary. Ibrahim Abubakar has come through with the following report.
The Oforikrom seat is NPP's stronghold. Carved out of Asokwa East in 2004, it has over 80,000 voter population. The current Ashanti Regional Deputy Minister, Elizabeth Ajiman, was the MP from 2005 to 2016. She lost the constituency primary to Dr. Emmanuel Mafo, who went on to win the seat in the 2016 election with 73% of total vote cast. The incumbent is seeking a second term, but has to beat Dr. Emmanuel Amankay, a senior lecturer at KNUST.
The incumbent MP has really disappointed the youth in Oforikrom, and we think changing hands will be better. For instance, when it comes to job opportunities, he has freed us, hopefully. Dr. Emmanuel Amankay has been so good to extend that even he's not an MP of the constituency, but he has been able to assist a lot of youth to get access to so many jobs.
Dr. Emmanuel Amankay, who is also one of the party's regional communicators, says his decision to contest is as a result of the confidence reposed in him by a section of the delegates. He blames the incumbent for the division within the party.
I had to pin this party office because it was so dirty and it was neglected, because the incumbent has his own party. There are a lot of elections that go on in various constituencies. As an MP, you don't involve yourself and take biased positions, because anytime you do that, you bring divisions among the people.
Though he is confident of emerging victorious, he is ready to support the incumbent should he lose.
When people lose in a fair manner, and then if there are no acrimonies, things that they have not done, they put the target on them. Sometimes it becomes very difficult, to bring such people on board. But I am prepared to help the party in any capacity.
Oforikrom delegates have a huge task on April 25 as they decide who to represent them in the next parliament.
We'll see how it pans out, but this is your election command center. I am Alfred Akanze and I pledge to peace.
My name is Aisha Yakubu and I pledge to peace.